today's tutorial, I'm going to show you just how to make your own draping panels from bolts of fabric. This is a very cost-effective way if you want to, let's say, achieve premium draping, but you don't want to fork the cost of buying 20 and 30 panels at retail value. Use this mechanism or use this strategy so you can still provide amazing drapery for your clients without breaking the bank, so you can increase your bottom line. Watch here. In today's lesson, we are going to be using 3 different blends of fabric. One will be a pink flat voile, which is a very translucent flat fabric. Then we're going to be using an ivory crushed sheer or crushed voile, which has a little bit more texture and it's has more flexibility and it's easier to manage, because if you mess up, it's kind of hard to find the error. Then we're going to use a crushed taffeta. I like mixing different blends and different colors because it makes your draping look more premium and it kind of stands out from just a regular standard backdrop. So we're going to get into using those 3 items, and we're going to be using pink, ivory, and a teal. That way you can see the different ways that they handle with a sewing machine.